Hello, friends. Today, we're diving deep into the realms of manifestation. We unveil the hidden catalyst that takes your manifestations from mere wishful thinking to blazing reality, propelling you from daydreamer to master manifester. Beyond the usual advice, we unveil the secret ingredient that can turn your dreams into reality faster and easier. Get ready to embark on a journey beyond visualization. The Chronicles of Jasmine's Manifestation. Meet Jasmine, a believer in the power of visualization. Jasmine had a dream to create a life filled with abundance, love, and purpose. She diligently practiced visualization, but there was something missing, something beyond the images in her mind. Point 1. The power of detailed visualization. Jasmine realized that the missing piece was in the details. Instead of merely picturing success, she delved into the specific smells, textures, sounds, and the tiniest nuances. Research suggests that detailed visualization activates more regions of the brain, amplifying manifestation potential. Point 2. Engaging all 5 senses. Engaging all 5 senses became Jasmine's manifestation mantra. Studies show that involving multiple senses in visualization creates a more immersive experience for the brain, signaling a heightened state of belief. This step carries a lot of weight in the manifestation process, so fully engage all your senses to maximize your success. Point 3. The science of emotion infusion. Jasmine discovered the science of emotion infusion. It wasn't just about seeing. It was about feeling the joy, gratitude, and fulfillment as if her dreams were already real. Neuroscientific studies confirm that emotions are the accelerators of manifestation. Point 4. Affirmations as catalysts. Affirmations played a pivotal role. Jasmine crafted affirmations rich in details and emotion. Positive affirmations, when aligned with detailed visualization, create a powerful resonance with the universe. Research indicates that affirmations influence the subconscious mind. Point 5. Taking inspired actions aligned with the vision. But Jasmine didn't stop at visualization. Inspired actions, aligned with her detailed vision, became the bridge between dreams and reality. Miracles unfold at the intersection of belief and action. Jasmine's story attests to that. Point 6. The art of letting go. Lastly, Jasmine mastered the art of letting go. She surrendered the how and when to the universe, trusting in divine timing. Letting go creates space for the universe to orchestrate its magic. Conclusion and takeaways. Jasmine's journey is a testament to the extraordinary power that lies beyond visualization. Now, it's your turn. Dive into the specifics, engage all your senses, infuse emotions. Use affirmations, take inspired actions, and gracefully let go. Stay open to unexpected opportunities, serendipitous encounters, and seemingly random detours. Remember, serendipity plays a significant role in success, as shown by Stanford research. Trust your intuition, embrace the flow, and see the detours as potential bridges to your dreams. Your dreams await. Share your manifestation experiences in the comments below. Let's build a community of empowered manifestors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join our journey of unlocking the secrets beyond visualization. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep believing, and let the magic unfold.